Welcome back to Full Deck Challenge number 3, run by Shana at Shanuki Art. I'm Jem and you're watching Jem's Creative Space. Thank you for joining me today, and this week our prompt for our auto playing card is puzzle, and this is card number 21, which means we are halfway through the year. Wow, can you believe it? Anyway, as per last week, I'm away from my creative space at the moment, and I've set myself the additional challenge of continuing to participate in Full Deck Challenge 3 with the limited kit and resources I have with me. So here you can see the little kit that I tend to travel with, and I've also got a couple of old magazines which I've picked up in a charity shop. So, with this week's challenge of puzzle, let's see how we go. So when I saw this week's prompt was puzzle, my mind immediately went to crossword puzzles, word puzzles, things like that. And it is one of the few ways that I will sit and relax is to do a word puzzle. And so I have flipped to the back of one of the magazines I bought from the charity shop and found this page full of puzzles. And so that is where I'm taking my inspiration from this week. So I've started to collect up some bits from the magazine here, and I've also got some wrapping from a tea bag and some tea tags, which I also would like to include because for me it's a time of relaxation, of sitting down with a crossword puzzle and a cup of tea. So those I think I might like to incorporate as well. Now the green bits you see here on the left-hand side are my carryover from last week, and I'm going to use those again in the background of this card. So here you can see I've used those pieces of paper to collage the background onto the card, and then I took my watercolour paints and I've used a green just to take some of the white torn edges off, and also I've put, you can't see it very well in this photo, but I've used a gold metallic paint just to add a little bit of shimmer and a bit of interest. Once that was dry, I've taken a black fine liner and I've gone around the edge of the card just to create a nice border. Once the background was thoroughly dry, I took all my puzzle and my tea elements and layered them all to create this altered playing card. Now I've also added a button, which I purloined off one of my husband's shirts. It was the spare one, because the button is my constant element. So there we go. This is what I've been able to do this week with the limited resources when I'm travelling. I do hope this has inspired you to have a go as well. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that others get to see the videos too. But for now, thank you for watching. Ka kite anō.